Hello and welcome to Dronography. Today, we are going to a virtual trip to Aruba Island. Aruba, known as the One Happy Island, is a popular vacation destination located in the southern Caribbean. It is part of the Lesser Antilles and lies just north of the coast of Venezuela. Aruba is a small island, only 30 kilometers long and 9 kilometers wide, with a population of around 110,000 people. Aruba's climate is tropical, with an average temperature of around 28 Celsius all year round. The island's location outside the hurricane belt ensures that it is rarely affected by storms or hurricanes. Visitors can expect warm, sunny days and mild trade winds that provide a refreshing breeze. One of Aruba's main attractions is its pristine beaches. The island has over 20 beaches, each with its own unique charm. Palm Beach and Eagle Beach are two of the most popular, with soft white sand and crystal clear turquoise waters. The beaches are ideal for sunbathing, swimming, snorkeling, and other water sports such as windsurfing and kitesurfing. Aruba's waters are home to a rich marine life, including colourful fish, sea turtles, and coral reefs. The island's excellent visibility and calm waters make it an ideal destination for snorkeling and scuba diving. Some of the best spots for diving are the Ontilla Shipwreck, the Pedernales Wreck, and the Arashi Reef. Apart from its beaches and water sports, Aruba has a lot to offer in terms of outdoor activities. Arikok National Park, located on the eastern side of the island, covers almost 20% of Aruba's land area. The park features rugged terrain, dramatic landscapes, and a variety of flora and fauna, including cacti, wild donkeys, and iguanas. Visitors can hike, bike, or ride a horse through the park's trails, which lead to hidden caves and ancient petroglyphs. For those interested in history and culture, Aruba has a rich past dating back to pre-Columbian times. The island was once inhabited by the Aruba tribe, and remnants of their culture can be seen in various sites around the island, including the Ayo Rock Formations and the Casibri Rock Formations. The capital city of Oranjestad also has a number of historic sites, including the Dutch colonial-style Fort Zoutman and the Willem III Tower. Aruba is also known for its vibrant nightlife, with a wide variety of bars, nightclubs, and casinos to choose from. Whether you want to dance the night away, try your luck at the slots, or enjoy a cocktail on the beach, Aruba has something for everyone. Finally, no trip to Aruba would be complete without sampling the island's delicious cuisine. Aruba's food scene is a fusion of Caribbean, Dutch, and South American flavors, with fresh seafood, spicy stews, and sweet desserts. Local specialties include keshiyina, a dish made with cheese and meat, and pan bati, a type of corn bread. In conclusion, Aruba is a true gem in the Caribbean, offering visitors an unforgettable experience of sun, sand, and sea, as well as a rich culture, exciting activities, and delicious cuisine. It truly lives up to its nickname of One Happy Island and is a destination that should be on every traveler's bucket list. So, keep enjoying 4K Ultra HD drone footage of Happy Island.